Guys, my young friend group, today I'm going to show you how to get a Monster Legends mod menu onto your device, guys. No jailbreak or computer is needed for this video, guys. It is super insane. This is known as the Monster Legends Plus. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It is super insane, guys, and it fully works. So let me just open this up right here and show you guys all of the insane settings in this mod. So as you can see, guys, we have 100k gems, 100k gold, God mode, and always win 3-star. Let's turn on this 100k gems and press activate, and now we are millionaires. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this right now. So let's get right into the video, guys. This is fully working and it is super cool. Guys, so I'm going to show you exactly how to get this crazy legendary Monster Legends mod, guys. So as you can see, we have 14 billion gold and 229 million tomatoes. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device. So let's get right into the video. So what we're going to do first is visit this website, guys. It is called ZooMods and it has a ton of mods for apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type this in right here. So anyways, guys, once you're on this website, what we're going to do is just go to the search bar and type in Monster Legends. So let me just do that right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it in. And as you guys can see, it comes right up. So where is it? There it is, Monster Legends Mod. So you just want to go ahead and press on that, guys, and then wait for it to download. I've already downloaded this. I got a pretty decent internet connection, but for you guys, you just got to wait for it to download. It shouldn't take that long. Now, if we go to the App Store, guys, you can see that Monster Legends is not really an affordable game. So let me just go ahead and type it in. So let me just do that right here. So I'm just going to type in Monster Legends. So as you can see, guys, if we type in Monster Legends, you guys can see the game is super expensive. And we go to the in-app purchases, you guys can see that it is not very affordable. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself and get the word out. This is totally working, guys. It's super insane. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out about this method. It's fully working. Monster Legends mod or hack. So be sure to get the word out about this tutorial because it is super insane and I really like it, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself and you can get super rich, guys. I mean, this is insane and it actually works.